Say goodbye to filament jams. Learn how to replace your Bowden tube hassle-free. First, make sure that you have removed the filament. Press down the connector that holds Bowden tube and pull it. Now loosen the connector with your hand or use a wrench. Do the same with the other connector. These are the replacement parts you are gonna need. This is a cutter for Bowden tubes. These springs were included in the kit I ordered, but I am gonna use them in another video. Choose the right connectors for your printer. And fasten each one in their place. Now it's time to replace Bowden tube. Simply push the connector in and then you will be able to push the tube all the way inside. Put the locking clip. Cut the Bowden tube. Make sure that your X-axis can travel both directions freely. Find the right spot and cut. Repeat the same process on the hot end. Put some filament and your printer is ready. Follow Organize on social media and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.